Hi, I'm Michael Clay, one of the technical sales representatives with Lincoln Electric. Today, we're going to look at how easy it is to program a stitch weld using the Cooper app. So we'll start again like we've programmed all of our other welds. We'll send the Cobot to a home position and then start our program from there. The idea is we'll program the Cobot for the length of the weld that we want to have our stitch welds in. So follow all our same steps, program a weld start point, move the Cobot all the way to the end of where we want this pattern to end, program the weld end, and move the Cobot home, turn off our servos. At this point now, we can select the weld, edit it. There's an option to convert the weld to a stitch. Now what pops up on the screen is we can specify our stitch length and our center to center distance. So for this, we'll specify a 50 millimeter weld length and the center to center distance of about 100 millimeters, and apply that. Hit done to write our program. And when we dry run this now, the Cobot will come down to our start and weld the specified distance and then jump to our next weld. For more information on the Cooper app, please visit our website at lincolnelectric.com. Thanks for watching.